Ring Design Committee is honored to present to you the Virginia Tech Class of 2021 George E. Buddy Russell Ring Collection, named for natural landmarks that surround the place we call home. The New River, Appalachian, Blue Ridge,
the Huckleberry, McAfee's Knob, Brush Mountain, the Cascades, Duck Pond, and Dragon's Tooth.
The Virginia Tech class ring has been redesigned by each class every year for over a century. Introducing the 2021 ring, the Russell. Created to highlight our experiences as a class and as Hokies. The university side of the ring incorporates the oldest and most traditional aspects of Virginia Tech's 147-year history. 7 stars recognize those Virginia Tech alumni awarded the Congressional Medal of Honor, the highest award bestowed upon a member of the U.S. Armed Forces. An iconic part of Virginia Tech's architecture, Torgerson Bridge, serves as a gateway into campus. Originally created in 1896, the University Shield represents the agricultural and mechanical emphasis in the university's early history. The university's motto, Ut Prosum, that I may serve, was established in 1896 and remains an enduring principle of Virginia Tech. The Corps Crest embodies the very tradition that the university was founded upon as an all-cadet military college. Featured on every ring since 1911, the Screaming Eagle is a majestic symbol of strength and freedom. Known as the largest VT on campus, the Upper Quad VT is framed by the Corps of Cadets residence halls. 3 stars represent past, present, and future Hokies who carry the Virginia Tech traditions with them throughout their lives. The pylons of the War Memorial evoke Virginia Tech's core values of brotherhood, honor, leadership, sacrifice, service, loyalty, duty, and ut prosum. The initials SM engraved on the ut prosum pylon memorialize Navy Ensign Sarah Mitchell, a 2017 graduate of Virginia Tech and the first woman honored on the pylons. Cannons flank 1872, the year Virginia Tech was founded as Virginia Agricultural and Mechanical College, a land-grant military school. Completed in 1936, Burris Hall sits proudly on the drill field as the historic foundation of campus. The American flag and the flag of the Commonwealth of Virginia fly from crossed sabers, an original feature from the earliest Virginia Tech class rings. Lest We Forget is etched on the Rock, a memorial located on Upper Quad, honoring Virginia Tech alumni who gave their lives during World War I. The April 16th Memorial reminds us of the strength and unity of the Hokie Nation. 32 Hokie tracks circle the bezel of the ring in remembrance of those lost on April 16, 2007.
The class side elements are a meaningful representation of Virginia Tech to the class of 2021, designed to embody the qualities of our class and to serve as a physical reminder of the experiences we have shared at this university. A hiker wearing a Hokie camp bandana enjoys the view from McAfee's Knob. A variety of storm clouds bring predictably unpredictable weather to Blacksburg. The statue of Coach Frank Beamer was unveiled outside of Lane Stadium during our sophomore year. Growly, too, the beloved K-9 ambassador for the Corps of Cadets, sits proudly next to Coach Beamer. In August 2017, a rare solar eclipse marked the beginning of our time at Virginia Tech. In May 2021, a lunar eclipse will mark the end of our undergraduate experience at the university. Exit light, enter night. The Hokie stone arch reflects the classic neo-Gothic architecture of our beautiful and timeless campus. A crack within the stone represents a record-breaking basketball season highlighted by a third consecutive home win against Duke, registering on the seismograph. Our beloved mascot, the Hokie bird, prepares for a future of innovation and continued excellence. 10 Hokie tracks form a ribbon representing 10 consecutive years as the largest collegiate relay for life. The university's newest furry friend, Otter Sandman, surfaced this year at the duck pond. Originating in 1964 with the Corps of Cadets, the Skipper Cannon is a familiar sight and sound at football games, echoing the joy of every Hokie touchdown. Fireworks celebrate Hokie traditions at ring premiere, ring dance, homecoming, Diwali, summer reunions, and touchdowns in Lane. The class of 2021's motto, Durate Salire, reminds us to keep jumping. Main Street and Center Street are a few of our favorite weekend hangouts. An Instagram favorite, the Hokie Nation flag represents the pride and love we all share for Hokies everywhere. The flag carries the new academic VT logo that premiered during our first year. After 15 consecutive victories over UVA football, we own the Commonwealth Cup. The Class of 2021 logo represents the unity of our class within the greater Virginia Tech community. The Ring Design Committee is proud to reveal the 111th Virginia Tech class ring. This lifelong symbol of Hokie tradition is now a part of the extraordinary lineage of rings past, each a remarkable chapter of the Virginia Tech story.